Oh, hey there, it's Leanne from Proud Pup Media. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that this email tip that I'm going to give you will help you increase your productivity in your inbox so that you can spend more time working on your business. All right, so I'm in my inbox here, and as you can see, there's a lot of unread I haven't done anything with these emails yet. So what I'm going to do is work from my starred folder. So what I will do initially then is I'm going to categorize my emails and put the ones that I want to read into the starred folder. Okay, so first I'll just have a look quickly, and then I'm going to look at the headlines here, and I'm going to select all of these here. Okay. All right. Assign a star to them. So I'll just come up here and I'll add a star. And you can see that they're all starred now. Okay, so if I go to my starred folder, there they are. To my inbox in future, I want to assign it a label so that when it comes in and I'm working in the star folder, I can easily archive it. So I'll show you how I do that. It saves a step. So I'm going to create a filter for this email address here. If it's important, if I want to see it right away in my starred folder, I'll star it, right? Then I'm going to choose a label. I haven't created one yet, so I'll add a new one and I'll call it. All right, the story that I'm going to pick for it will be updates. And I'm also going to apply this filter to the 15 matching conversations. So those are there should be all of the ones in my inbox that have that are from that email. So I'll create that filter. So let's see. I just refreshed it, and now you can see that it has that label. So as I'm going through my starred folder, I'm thinking, okay, actually, I'm not going to read that right now. I don't have time. So I'll just select all the emails in my inbox if there's not too many, and then I'm going to deselect the ones that I'm going to keep. There's another way you can do this too, right? You can just go, I'll select these ones that I'm going to archive into the Bustle folder label, okay? And then I will remove the star, and there they are, they're gone. And they've come down to this section here. So you can see I've got lots of those. Come back to my starred folder, and let's see, I'll just read this one. And I'm looking, and then I'm done. So I'm going to just deselect the star over here. And then when I come back to my starred folder, it's gone. And I actually have decided I'm just going to delete this one. So I'll just remove the star there and delete, because I don't want it to be showing up in my delete folder with a star on it, because that's a bit confusing. So, okay. All right, so come to the inbox here and then decide on which categories you want to display. I don't think I want to display the social one because I always get spam in there. Okay, and then we are done. I have to save that, don't I? All right. I hope that was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any that you would like me to share with you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I publish new videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.